Hi guys, my name is Orville Edward Walcott. Let me ask you a question. Has there ever been a time whereby you discovered something, whereby you absolutely pinch yourself because you realise, had you known that thing earlier, you could have made a lot more money, or if it's your 9 to 5 job, had a lot more success if only you knew it earlier? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how with Facebook Live, something that I guess scares lots and lots of marketers. I'm going to show you some simple secrets which when you click down below and gain access to my 5-day prospecting challenge for free, these simple secrets are going to take you from over here, which is struggling and failing, to over here, like some of the clients you're going to hear, the results I've got for them, which will also happen for you. So stay tuned. Well, like I said, guys, my name is Orville Edward Walcott. Now, I want to ask you a question because what I do is I help struggling network marketers and internet marketers use the internet to very quickly go from over here, struggling, to over here, to being successful. Now, I want you to think again for a minute whereby there was something you discovered, something you didn't know, which you then found it out later. And whilst you're excited, you kind of pinch yourself because you knew, had you knew it earlier, you'd have made a lot more money. Let me give you an example. I recall once, years ago, probably about 2008, 2009, I went into the Apple store here in London, and it was during the height of, well, I think 2008 was the start of the global financial recession. And so I went inside and I was literally just buying some stuff, for myself and friends. And I then walked out and I noticed just how many people there were at the Apple store in London just queuing to get in. Now, Apple stuff is not cheap. I then looked up and down the main street in London, and literally there weren't that many people in other shops because after all, 2008, pretty big year. I mean, it was during the start of the global financial recession or meltdown. Barack Obama had just become president, but yet Apple was full, yet the other shops were pretty much empty. And so I went home and it didn't occur to me to think, well, let's look at buying shares in Apple. And I think the shares round about there, about $200, $300, and then very quickly rose to about $600, $700 plus. Now, I share that with you to say that there was something which I failed to act upon. Had I taken urgent action and acted upon the information, I'd have made a lot more money a lot quicker. But the point is, the boat had passed, and God knows where Apple shares are now. Now, why do I share that story with you? Because I want to give you 7 reasons why you want to click the link down below and go through to my new private Facebook training. And it's one set of videos, one video every 5 days. Now, let me explain my story. I use a number of social media platforms to grow my different businesses and help people like you. And indeed, some of the testimonials you're going to hear in a second. What I realized though is there are lots of people who simply cannot afford to invest lots of money, yet they really want to grow a business, and Facebook Lives absolutely are the way. However, there's a right way and there's a wrong way. For example, here's the wrong way. More and more people are getting their Facebook ad accounts closed down because they're doing wrong things. They mean well, but I'm telling you right now, Mark Zuckerberg at Facebook, if you do things wrong, he will close your ad account down because they're trying to sell. There are rules on Facebook. Now, here's the key thing. It would cost you thousands upon thousands to learn how to do it. Or here are the reasons why you want to click the link down below and go through to my my new 5-day challenge to show you how to do Facebook Lives, number 1, but also show you secret things about once you've done that Facebook Live, secret places to put it to get more and more leads. Number 1, when you click the link down below and go through my 5-day challenge, I'm going to show you, number 1, how to recruit 10 to 15 leads per day into your business, and in many cases for free. That's the first reason. The second reason is going to be how to close more prospects into your business. Now, the key thing is if closing has been something you find very, very difficult, I know what it's like. It is not easy. Or is it? You see, what I'm going to show you is this, is a secret formula that's taken people like Chadia, Michelle, Mark, Tristan, people who you're going to hear who literally have gone from years and years of failing to now being able to use my system and go from closing rates of around about 1 in 10 to now closing rates of 6 in 10, even 7 in 10 within 4 or 5 weeks part-time. Now, am I guaranteeing you that? I'd have to say no, but here's the question. If other people have used my system by clicking down below and going through that 5-day challenge, let me ask you, if it worked for them, why wouldn't it work for you? And all you have to do is take urgent action and click the link down below. So number one, I'm going to show you how to get 10 to 15 leads per day. Number two, how to close. Number three, I'm going to show you how to virtually eliminate the no money objection simply by when you click the link down below and gain free access to this 5-day training. It's worth over $892. I have clients who pay me much more than that to do similar training. I'm making it available for you for a limited time when you click the link down below. So it's going to show you how to do that. It's going to show you as well a case example which no one else is doing, I don't think, how I used only just $25 on a Facebook ad and made over $600 in one of my businesses in just under 2 weeks, at literally about 10 minutes per day. I want to show you how to do it step by step. The next reason is most people have no idea the importance of having really good content in your Facebook Live, as well as a way to actually make sure you never, ever run out of people again to recruit into your business daily and to close. All you have to do is click the link down below and I'm going to show you how to do that with Facebook Live. If you are not getting at least 10 or 15 leads per day with your Facebook Lives to grow your business, if you aren't at least getting 1 or 2 sales per day, you need to quickly go ahead, click the link down below and grab my training, my 5-day bootcamp on how to actually close people and do Facebook Lives in a way that I have not seen anyone else do it. And again, guys, why can I say that? Because you've seen the testimonials. If I'm getting that, and not just me, but those people I'm recruiting, if it's and helping, if it's working for all of them, why wouldn't it work for you? Remember the story I gave you about when I walked into the Apple store and how I just wish I could go back now and buy those Apple shares. But my friend, time moves on. You can never ever go back. Please don't make the same mistake that I made. Grab it right now. Go ahead, click link down below underneath and grab my free 5-day challenge and I'll see you on the inside. I cannot wait to see the results. I don't think you're going to get, I know you're going to get. Take care. See you down below. And this video as well, please subscribe as well to my YouTube channel. This video, please like it and share it as well with those you know who are very hungry to leverage the internet and succeed as well. I cannot wait to see results. Take care.